Baby.
Okay, everybody, this is Abigail's birthday party. This is Eder, and she just got her nail polish and lipstick. And here is Chicken's sister, Noah. This is Haya's sister, Ayala. This is Eddie,
Someone's brother.
yeah, and everybody. This is Odaya. This is Michael. Michael. Here's Mommy putting everybody in nail polish.